If you ask me, what would be the stupidest way to test a brand new Insta360 car mount? Putting it on an amphibious car. My name is Ruben, I'm a creator that makes camera-related content. You've probably seen me use the Insta360 a bunch of times, and I'm always on the hunt for new ways to get unique shots. So when I came across this MakeTech car mount, I just had to try it. Normally, you'd stick it to your car and call it a day, but I wanted to go a bit further. Instead of testing it on my own car, I decided to make a childhood dream come true. I found someone with an amphibious car, and if everything goes right, I'm about to drive on water. Small disclaimer, the manufacturer told me specially not to do this, so please subscribe before my Insta360 takes a swim. First, a quick unboxing. MakeTech 4 suction cup car mount. Today's adventure wouldn't be possible without this legend.
I'm Bert and this is my dream car, Bertje 2.
Of course, you don't need to use the 4 suction cups, you can also use the 2. And just add a ball head mount like this, camera on it like this, and then you can start filming. So let's try it out. And turn till the light goes green. Time to check if the suction cups are strong enough to survive a drive. Fingers crossed. So it clearly holds up on land, but doesn't hold up on water. Ba-da-ba-bum. The moment the car started floating, I immediately felt like a small child. Crazy. Luckily, this worked perfectly. Time for the money shot. Because the back of the car isn't perfectly smooth, I decided to mount the camera to the back window. First, the wet wipes. Let's clean the window. Attach the selfie stick like this. Help. Hopefully I don't lose my Insta360. Fingers crossed. Damn, I can't believe I'm actually doing this. Okay, so far so good. Let's see how far we can push it. I trust these suction cups so much, time to dunk the Insta360 into the water. Maybe that shot isn't super impressive, but the experience is absolutely surreal. I'm blown away by how strong it is. Even while tilting it in the water, it stayed up there. Another shot I wanted to try, mounting it next to the passenger seat so I could wave and reveal that we're driving in water. So that's exactly what we did. Hello. When I bought the Insta360, I went for the giant selfie stick. So let's see if the MakeTech mount can handle that too. Dat is super tof. This whole experience was just incredible. From testing a mount in a wild way to capturing shots I never imagined. I'm so grateful that I have a YouTube channel that gives me a reason to do stuff like this. Huge thanks to MakeTech for sending me this car mount. It worked amazingly, maybe even better than advertised. And a big thanks to Bert and his amphibious car Bertje 2 for making this childhood dream possible. Thank you.